My name is Marc Dutoo. I'm the R&D department head at OpenWide, a French open source service provider. And currently I'm working on the cloud, that's why I'm at Cloud Expo London.
Hello, I'm Jean Parpaillon. I'm a research engineer at INRIA on the OCCIware project. And I've been at the initiative of the OCCIware project also. This is an engineering project. I mean, we want to bring engineering tools of the quality of what is used in other domains like critical systems, and we want to bring these tools to the cloud industry.
Software engineering.
Software engineering, yeah.
So it's software engineering for the cloud.
Dedicated to the cloud, yes.
You've got some very well-known vendors, API, which is used by everybody. You've got a lot of standards like the MTF, OCCI, a lot of standard bodies working at the infrastructure level. When you get a platform level, every big player has its own platform, and they would like to make it standard maybe, but well, to each own his own. And when you go up at the application level, well, how do you make cloud applications work together? It's different for each of them and different for each kind of customer, so it's a real problem. Actually, OCCIware is precisely about translating the success that standards enjoy at the infrastructure level, up at the platform level and at the application level. And we've even got an idea of how to do that. First, we want to start by building on something that exists and that is the only standard that crosses layers of the cloud. That is the Open Cloud Computing Interface by Open Grid Forum. We will go on working together closely with the Open Grid Forum to help them standardize further OCCI, and especially in further additional business domains, platform components, and so on.
It's not just a paperwork. It's also based on a meta model, which is a structure which allows to automate the implementation of software, to authorize the simulation and better testing of software. First, it will allow shorter, quicker developments, because most aspects of the regular development of a cloud system, like dealing with security, dealing with scalability, all these non-functional aspects, you don't have to deal with that because it can be handled automatically by our runtime that we are developing, our compilers and so on. And the developers has only to focus on his job, which is designing his application. Each part will be the best of the art because each specific topic can be addressed by different people, and we can plug it together to make complete application with security, with fault tolerance, with deployment, easy deployment, and so on and so on.
You can't really say you're standard if you actually didn't validate interoperability of this standard in several use cases. So we're going to try to showcase the added value of OCCIware in common cloud fields such as data center, at infrastructure level, but also big data and linked open data, two facets of the data world, don't forget about it. And finally, deployment, because deployment bridges, you know, the design time part and the runtime part. In the end, you get a full solution, a framework actually, but if you go to the use case, it's a solution. Both at the design time level, you've got a studio, you've got all tools, you can design graphically, generate tests, validate, even, well, get help to make decisions whether to go to the cloud or not. And you've got runtime framework, so that's a platform, but a flexible, extensible one, which builds on the extensibility of OCCI. You won't have to reinvent the wheel all the time. It's a 3-year project. But we really want to bring this close to the market as soon as possible. So the company members of the project will try to have something already at the end of 2K16. And afterwards, we still have a lot of standardization and cleanup, polishing, validation. But we really want input from users. And it's already starting now, obviously, thanks to use cases.